So hello everyone, this is your guy Primus and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you a workflow requested by my friend. So let's get started. Alright, this is the workflow. So don't mind this. I just made a little prank on him. So what it do, it gives me leads. So what we have to do, just our company, which is digital marketing agency, sets our target. For example, it is dentist, location it is California, and number of leads, which is a number. You can see everything is straight, but this is an integer because I like 12. And as you can see, there is a chat trigger and manual trigger. So when I was testing it, I was using manual trigger. The reason the chat trigger is even here because of this simple memory node. Because what this memory node does, it remembers what it previously outputted. Although we do not need that for now, I'm going to show you how it works. So when we execute it, it is a manual trigger. So you execute it, it will get the fields. What are the fields? I already showed you. These are the fields. Okay, then it will go through AI agent. It will do Google search. It will do Google Map search. It will do Google AI overview search and Google AI mode search. So the SERP API, my friend provided his own SERP API account. Then it will all go through split out node, then a loop, and it gets saved to the. So I will show you. This is the amount of leads been generated. So from 483, make sure you remember it from 483. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so you can see the memory node, it does not work with the manual trigger. So we can remove the memory at the chat node. You know what? I am doing it with chat node. Chat node will nothing it will do, just it will give us an you can write anything like my friend, this is for you. Okay? Yeah, so wait a second. Oh my god, why it's not text? What? Did my credits over or something? Okay, sometime it happens. So you know what I'm doing? Getting rid of this. Sometime it can get error when it cannot express the country properly. It's not your fault. It happens because of. Now this is getting problematic. Invalid format. Of course it's invalid. So when it sometimes it happens, you can retry on fail. Still not working. I'm adding think tool. Maybe thinking will solve this problem. Because it was working. मेरी बेइज्जती कराने में इसको मजा आता है, मैं क्या करूं? Now it's working. Yay. I am probably not going to upload this on YouTube because it's very embarrassing for me. But still, here you go. Now it will work. Oh my god, my legs. Alright, it's done. As you can see, it added some extra and with the proper URL. Alright, so first of all, when the error was going on, it can also happens because of model. I'm using a free model, so that's why it was giving me an error. You can use ChatGPT and with their special new node I am going to show you. Oh wait, OpenAI chat model. So with their built-in tools of web search, you can directly use this, and it will be more helpful. What I am using, this is community node, not an official n8n node. So for self-hosted ones, you gotta install it. And third, I removed the chat trigger and memory node. You do not need them usually. Okay, so that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.